Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? Should Polygon is good for investment in June or not, my brother? Exactly, this is very big question for all holders. So therefore, I make video for all Polygon holder. Try to understand, my brother. This video I will also update you to what's going on in Polygon, and absolutely I predicate this coin and I analyze this coin to what's going on. And after that, my friend, we decide to should this is good, my friends, we are invest or not, my brother. So try to understand. This time you can see, my brother, the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely, my brother, gonna show you today are in the profit, my friend, especially in the last 1 month. And remember, to all crypto market, not just unique, my friends, especially Dogecoin or Shiba coin, all crypto market is very badly falls down. But you can see Polygon is an impressive result, my friend. You can see on the screen, and 1.31% they moving upwards. So it's mean to this is very good news for all Polygon holder, and it's a very fastest and very good coin, my brother, for all of you. So try to understand, my friends, if they change occur in this coin in this month, my friend, positive, so it's mean to there's more chances that they've been moving upward. But remember, to in every cryptocurrencies, after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails. So you can see here, my brother, this time they take a jump, so it's me definitely after this jump they fails down very fastly. So try to understand, my brother, my holders, to in upcoming time there is more chances to they will moving upward. But definitely you can see here this time the change occur will be negative. You can see here the last 24 hours. So it's one reason, my friend, and I tell you to this is, my friend, after a jump they fails down. But try to understand the last 1 hour after a fails they absolutely take a very huge jump. So exactly after a second day, you can see a second day, and this June, my friend, you can see here they again starting moving upward. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances to they will move upward. When sometime they fails down for a short time, don't see this short fails. Try to understand, holder, after a short fails they absolutely take a very huge jump. So try to understand, holder, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, and my friend, and this month they will give you 3 to 4 USD dollar if they starting moving upward now. So holders, please don't sell it and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you very good profit. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.